Soon may the wellerman come, bring us coffee, tea, and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, take our leave and go. At a fair in the sun of town, her hair was blonde and her dress was brown. Soon may the wellerman come around.
After spending some time exploring Mammoth Shoal and getting the pelicans all riled up, I was ready to move on and was now slow sailing up Mammoth Creek, headed for the former site of a large ironworks and iron furnace. The woods of LBL are made up primarily of deciduous trees, as are most wooded areas in this region, and that makes autumn a really beautiful time to be on the water. Okay, that was pretty cool. Haven't seen those guys up quite that close before. They're just doing a little training out of Fort Campbell. In my opinion, this is really one of the most remote parts of LBL. Based on just looking at a map, this area is the farthest away from any kind of road or trail. And it's really beautiful, but it's interesting because it's not a pristine, untouched landscape. All these hills here have very obviously been dug up as part of the iron industry back in the 19th century. This is an example of where the earth has been deeply cut out. It almost looks like a crater. I'm searching for a historic cemetery that's slightly unusual for this area, and I'm not finding it. I've been here, but It was 5 years ago, and it took me a couple of attempts back then. The first time me and my buddy came out here on, well, I was riding a very small motorcycle, Honda CL100, and he was riding a moped, and we rode as far as we could, then got off and walked, and we didn't find it. All we had was a recreational map with a dot marking the cemetery. We searched, but did not find it. The second time I came out on my kayak, and I think I just got lucky and found it. This channel will continue to charge along under full sale, but at cumberlandrover.com, I offer videos not available on this channel or anywhere else. The videos and articles are free. I don't run ads, but I do have a store offering some unique handmade products of my own design that I think will be of interest to sailors and outdoor enthusiasts.